In this presentation, I will talk about the paper Evidence that Bottlenose Dolphins Can Communicate with Vocal Signals to Solve a Cooperative Task. This is by Stephanie L. King, Emily Girano, Katie Donegan, Christina Mulligan, and Kelly Chicola. This study includes bottlenose dolphins at a dolphin research center in Florida. This experiment was designed to investigate if bottlenose dolphin dynads are able to use vocal signals to coordinate their behavior in a cooperative button pressing task. The experiment was carried out by the researchers to learn more about the bottlenose dolphin's social interaction and communication skills. The evolution of language and social behavior in both human and animals can be better understood by observing how dolphins interact and cooperate with one another in such circumstances. Previous research has demonstrated that dolphins have sophisticated communication systems and are highly sociable creatures. The study's central hypothesis is that bottlenose dolphins possess an advanced system of vocal communication that enables them to employ vocal cues to coordinate their behavior during a cooperative task. I will be focusing on Experiment 2.2, Cooperative Task Apparatus and Procedure. During this task, members of a dyad were required to swim across the lagoon approximately 11 meters and each press their own underwater button simultaneously within the 1 second time window. If completed within the 1 second interval, they were rewarded with a fish. Each dolphin dyad had to pass a series of trial phases in order to learn the task and then demonstrate they understood the cooperative nature of the task. The sample size included 2 dyad groups, and one group was 2 females and the other group was 2 males. The buttons were connected via computer Raspberry Pi Model 3B+, which in turn was attached to an underwater speaker. The computer recorded the time in between the buttons presses and whether if the trial was successful or a failure. What are they measuring? This is a within-subject design that is measuring the success rate of the dolphins, the time it took the dolphins to complete the task, and the cooperation between the dolphins. The results from the experiment. According to the study, dolphins were able to properly coordinate their activities in order to complete the assignment, demonstrating a high degree of animal cooperation. The scientists noticed that while performing the activity, the dolphins communicate with one another using a certain vocal signals like whistles and clicks.